Tony Hawk's Demolition Radio here on Sirius Satellite Radio. The first annual Tony Hawk's Am Jam is over, and what a finish! The competition was virtually stolen at the last second by a rookie busting out a move he picked up from the legendary Iggy Van Zandt. That's right, you heard it here first on Demolition Radio. Iggy Van Zandt is alive and kicking.
Hey, bro! I got it! See that fire escape way over there? It would be a killer piece for the ranch. My homie Jorge has offered to help us out. Skit mucho trabajo. No, not high enough. Keep. Just slip trick that top part and. Holy cajones, amigo! You knocked way to go, amigo! The path to enlightenment is a lot. You've got some freaky way. The power of this. To release it, grind the edge of this portal pipe, then smash through the green tower. All doors are. Ooh, your body is strong, but is your mind of equal strength? This time. The power of this secret has been unlocked. Now, but first.
All that, though, would make a great piece for the park. Oh, having problems? Sure. Not do all. Nice. Now on you. Sup, Boom?
The word neat. Nah, man, needle. We're gonna snake it for the ranch.
So,
I've tied a. I fi- Geronimo! Yeah! This thing's gonna.
What's up? I'll start off pretty easy. Pull off an easy high combo and you can get some cash. Way to go! Here's some cash. Find me later to do more challenges if you want to earn some more. Hey, yo, maybe I'll go easy on you. Hammer this combo and you'll be walking with some fresh money. Way to go! Here's some cash. Find me later to do more challenges if you want to earn some more.
You're not going anywhere, buddy.
Dude, do you know a way to get past these friggin' cops?
I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, you are the poster boy for corporate America. The advertising has you chasing
Man, what are you talking?
the first step of the skate club initiative.
Okay, I hear about...
Tricking all these objects before my stopwatch hits. First rule is that you cannot.
What did you do with my clothes?
Rule number 2.
Oh, that is so weak, man.
Material possessions are an extent. The third step of the skate. While in a.
You're not going anywhere, buddy.
Hey, man, you know how to get past those...
The demolition
Oh,
committee of
going
Project
somewhere?
Wait-
What's Project...
A skate club operation that targets low. We're going after this high.
Follow us!
Don't even...
Here's the plan. We've rigged these beams to fall when they. What are you waiting for? Nah, now hit the middle beam.
What?
That was just. Well, you've made it this far.
Yeah? What other...
All right, mister. First up.
That...
You think I. Next up.
Maybe I've underestimated.
Oh, hell no.
I wish these skate club guys would stop begging me to do this. Is the last time. I'm signing one of.
Just do it.
Hey, kid. I'm gonna let you